Today, let's talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly of affiliate marketing. I've been involved with affiliate marketing since 1999, and during that time, I've seen affiliate marketing change dramatically. I've seen ordinary people create life changing incomes. I've also seen people spend hundreds, even thousands of dollars only to quit because nobody warned them about the mistakes they were making. The truth is, affiliate marketing is one of the best business models I've ever seen. You don't need to create your own product. You don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. You can start with very little money. But like anything worthwhile, there are challenges. There is a good side, a bad side, and an ugly side. Today, I want to share all three with you, especially if you're just getting started. Let's begin with the good. Affiliate marketing is one of the few businesses almost anyone can start. You can work from home, around your current job, and build your business at your own pace. One of the biggest advantages is that there are thousands of companies looking for affiliates. Whether you're interested in software, health and wellness, online education, financial products, travel, or hobbies, there's a product or service that fits your interests. Another benefit is that you don't have to create the products yourself. The company takes care of customer service, payments, refunds, and product delivery. Your role is to introduce people to products that solve a problem or improve their lives. When you genuinely help people, the commissions become a natural result of that relationship. For me, that's always been one of the best parts of affiliate marketing. Now, let's talk about the bad. This is where many beginners begin to struggle. The biggest mistake I see is trying to promote everything. One week it's health products, the next week it's AI software, then it's crypto, then it's another opportunity that promises fast money. They keep jumping from one thing to another and never give themselves enough time to build momentum. Another common mistake is expecting success overnight. Social media is full of people showing big commission checks and flashy lifestyles. What you don't see are the months and often years of work that happened before those results. One of the biggest traps is what's often called shiny object syndrome. Every week there's another course, another software, another secret strategy. Many people spend more time buying products than actually building a business. I know because I've been there myself. Eventually, I realized that success doesn't come from chasing the newest opportunity. It comes from consistently doing the simple things that actually grow your business. Now let's talk about the ugly side of affiliate marketing. Unfortunately, not everyone in this industry is honest. Some companies make unrealistic promises. They'll tell you that you'll make thousands of dollars while you sleep, with no experience, no work, and almost no effort. If something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Another mistake I see is people buying paid traffic before they've learned how to market. I've seen beginners spend hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars, hoping traffic alone would solve their problems. The reality is that traffic simply brings people to your offer. If your message isn't connecting with people, or your follow up isn't effective, buying more traffic won't fix it. It usually just becomes a more expensive lesson. Another ugly truth is that too many people focus on selling instead of serving. Every post becomes another sales pitch. Every conversation becomes another attempt to make a commission. People recognize that very quickly. The most successful affiliate marketers I've met have one thing in common: they educate first, they help first, they build trust first. The sales happen because people believe they genuinely care. My advice: if I were starting over today, here's exactly what I'd do. First, I'd choose one business and stay with it. Not five businesses, not 10, just one. Second, I'd start building an email list from day one. Social media platforms will always change. Algorithms change, accounts get restricted, but your email list is something you own. Third, I'd focus on creating helpful content consistently. Share what you're learning, tell stories, answer questions, teach people something useful. People remember stories far longer than they remember sales pitches. And finally, be patient. Affiliate marketing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. The people who succeed aren't always the smartest. They aren't always the most talented. They're simply the people who keep showing up even when they don't see immediate results. Affiliate marketing has changed my life. Has it always been easy? Absolutely not. Have I made mistakes? More than I can count. But every mistake taught me something valuable. If you stay focused, keep learning, help people, and resist the temptation to chase every shiny new opportunity, you can build a business that lasts. I hope this video helps you avoid some of the mistakes I made along the way. If you found it helpful, I'd appreciate it if you would follow my channel for more practical business tips and affiliate marketing advice. I'm Brian. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Your comments are not only welcome, they're appreciated. Have a wonderful day.